So it's the owner operators. Probably, I imagine those are some of the smaller co-location companies where you're dealing directly with an owner, or does it really just depend on the maturity of the stage, whether you're dealing with an owner or whether you're dealing with the GC or the architect?
No, so we deal with all of the largest owner operators in the country. So anybody from a Microsoft to a Google to some of the smaller colo guys, and we're a full life cycle company. So we're working with the architects and the GCs as it relates to the specs, talking about like the codes, making sure that all the safety protocols are in place. And then we also do supply, right? So we'll supply whether it's through the owner operator or through the GC, and we'll talk about that a little bit more, I think, as we go. But we're really changing the game in terms of making it easy for everybody throughout the entire process. And then we're full life cycle because, like I mentioned, we have 70 locations around the country. Managing like the maintenance, right? So preventative maintenance, the service, like planning that out, having any kind of break fix, repair, remodel, we're able to help with that as well. So having that all planned out from the beginning helps these owner operators really control their total cost of ownership. And then ultimately it increases their uptime because they're not worried about things breaking. And while we might be, less than 1% of the total spend of a data center, physical security, not just door hardware, but anything from bollards to perimeter fencing to access control, you name it. If something like that goes down, you have some serious outages and some serious problems to take care of. So having that all kind of mapped out from the beginning and working with one partner to be the glue has really been a real blessing for some of these owner operators.